Hello. I don't have much to say here today. It's a Sunday. I've checked everything. We didn't get anything. I'm shocked. I'm surprised. I don't know what to say. Seriously though, you know, it is what it is. This is what I come to expect. I only need one recipe. There's like, I don't know, 500 or 600. Chances are clearly slim. Anyway, I'm gonna dig all these up just because it's a mess. We'll just throw all that in. I've got the recipe, like I said. I already checked. Peanut was Blair was cooking, so that's not helpful. Turkey Day's coming up soon. Not helpful. There's the message here. It's probably yep. Okay, so we got a tire. That's great. Sure, I'm tired of that. We got our points. Got nothing else. I'm gonna go just dig up these 2 rare mushrooms that have been here for a while. Alright, and that's that. Okay, tomorrow's Monday. I'll be on in the evening. We'll see what happens then, and I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.